Hey guys, it's Kelly, and today I'm going to be showing you a how-to video of how to clean your iPad, or like phone or DS. I'm going to be showing you on my iPad, so I'm going to move it down more so you can kind of see the iPad. So you need is a Q-tip, and you need a towel to have your iPad on. You guys can see. You need 2 cups, one with soapy water and one with normal water. So you dip it in the soapy water. You just kind of rub it alongside your iPad. Now, it's gonna look weird, you know, just dip in a few times. This is kind of a quick process. I don't do this all the time. My iPad I usually don't too bad with. I mean, I do eat on it sometimes, but a lot of times I just wipe it off with my shirt or something if it gets dirty from food. Gets a smudge on. I'm doing it kind of fast just for the sake of the video, which, I mean, it doesn't take me too long to iPad second, so. It's usually the back you have to scrub good, but this is the front. No, as I spilled water. You know, just the button too. You really want to just move this. Scrub it a few seconds. Then you take the opposite end of your Q-tip. You can use whatever you want. You don't have to necessarily use Q-tips. You can use Q-tips are recommended. Keeps your iPad clean. My DS is super dirty, so I mean, I won't show you in the DS. It's the same process with the DS. This has a lot more sides to it and stuff you have to worry about, but instead of and then take a clean Q-tip, stick it in the water now, and just kind of take the clean second half to remove some of the stuff. What I like to do is take something like we have ways for this thing. Let's take the toilet paper. We usually have bathroom towels. You see, toilet paper just gets stuck on the iPad. Just wipe it off with your towel. Or, you know, make sure it's a soft towel. You don't want something like a hard towel. You know, something soft to wipe your iPad down with. There you go. Now we're going to show you the back where like the holes are and stuff. So I'm doing for the sake of the video. Left this can get them. Throw these other Q-tip away. I mean, it doesn't take too much. Just so you kind of see better. Now, like the hole where the charger is, you don't want to make sure it's too soaked so it's not dripping down into the hole. I like where the speakers are too. You don't want any drips. You don't want it to drip in any of the holes, because then if it gets in the holes, it can ruin the iPad and break it. You know. You can kind of see it now. My friends text me. I'll text them in. But anyways. Like I said, it's not really a slow process unless it's really dirty. What you want to do is get the first layer of scrubbing done on this button. It came off. Sometimes you can see stuff come off if you scrub it really good. I do scrub it good sometimes. This is just a fast thing. There's another hole for the headphones won't go around. There's another little thing here. Be careful, I never noticed before. So there's some dirt on here. You can see some little orange things. Have me eating chips or Doritos or something. I think I had Doritos yesterday, I believe. You know, go around, scrub. The part of me. That's super handed. Again, take your dry side to help kind of remove some of the soap. Also, be careful of the hole. Trying to go around and do some scrubbing. You might still see dirt, but that's because you scrubbed off and just sitting there. There you go. You can just kind of, again, with the water. Water, I feel like it doesn't do too much because the soap's on it, but it might help to kind of just sort of wipes off better the soap. So it's soapy. And just dry it off. And there you go, guys. That's just a little how to clean iPad, and I hope you guys use these videos. You know, and I hope you guys try this. If you have Q-tips, or if you just have something else you can use instead of Q-tips. And yeah, you know, I have a lot of scratches on my iPad. And then too, so the front of the iPad will get dirty. Well, oops, come off. Sit down. Make sure you don't hit the water. There's like water inside the screen. Look. I see it. And I just like push down on it. Can you see it? Oh, if I do that, you can see. I don't know. Does that mean there's water inside, or is this just from pushing it down? It might just be from pushing down on it, right? Yeah, there's no water inside. That's just from me pushing down hard on it. Right? Yeah. How would water get into it? I'm always careful with the holes, though. I don't know. But you guys saw that, like, I'm pushing down on it. Right, you see that mark right there between my fingers? But anyways, guys, that's how you ultimately, when I got some on my phone, clean your iPad. Yeah, this, some water drops on my phone. Let's see. Clean side. As I hit myself in the face with. Clean side. Nice iPad. Now it's time for the DS. I'm going to do it off camera because my DS is super dirty. We keep the game in. This one you have to be real careful for. I'm going to be doing this all. I just kind of fast today just to get them. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take this as advice how to clean your iPad. And yeah. You know, you need 2 cups soap. One with water and soap, one with no water. Well, however you want to do it. You don't have to have a cup of water. So, I just know something. You don't have to. You know, but yeah, pretty much. And if it does work, you can kind of scribble it and you know, and it looks better. And you know, because I've used wax before, but it just leaves a grime on it. Best way to do it, leaves it really clean. Let me know if you guys use this technique. And I'm saying, please like and subscribe and comment. Sign my YouTube subscription and follow me on my socials. And I will see you guys in the next video.